Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word. Today's word is confirm. Confirm is a B1 level verb, meaning to verify. It's a common and useful word, so let's dive right in. To confirm something means to state or prove the truth of something, often something that was previously uncertain. Think of it as making sure something is definitely correct or true. In everyday language, we use confirm all the time. For instance, we confirm appointments, confirm reservations, and confirm suspicions. Now, let's explore some synonyms for confirm. A good synonym for confirm is verify. Verify also means to establish the truth, accuracy, or validity of something. For example, instead of saying please confirm your email address, you could say please verify your email address. Another synonym is validate. To validate something means to check or prove the validity or accuracy of something. Imagine you're at a parking meter. You need to validate your parking ticket. Another synonym is authenticate. To authenticate something means to prove that something is genuine. For example, experts authenticate paintings to check if they are original or fake. Consider the word corroborate. It also means to confirm or support a statement with evidence. For example, witnesses corroborated the victim's story of the events. A further synonym is substantiate. To substantiate something means to provide evidence to support or prove the truth of something. For example, the detective was able to substantiate the suspect's alibi using security camera footage. Now, let's get into some sentences. The hotel sent an email to confirm our reservation. Using verify, the accountant had to verify all of the financial records before the audit. Using validate, the cashier needed to validate the coupon before it could be used. Using authenticate, the art collector hired an expert to authenticate the painting. Using corroborate, the police were able to corroborate the witness's testimony with video evidence. Using substantiate, the scientist needed more data to substantiate his hypothesis. Okay, now let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. An antonym of confirm is deny. To deny something is to state that something is not true. For example, the suspect denied the allegations. Another antonym is refute. To refute something means to prove that something is wrong or false. For instance, a scientist might refute a previous theory with new evidence. Another antonym is contradict. To contradict something means to say the opposite of what someone else has said or done. His actions contradicted his words. Another antonym is invalidate. To invalidate something is to weaken or destroy its force or effect. For example, new evidence might invalidate a previous conclusion. And also the word disprove, which means to demonstrate that something is false or incorrect. For example, scientists have disproven the idea that the Earth is flat. Okay, more sentences. The politician denied all accusations of corruption. Using refute, the lawyer was able to refute the witness's claims in court. Using contradict, the witness's statement contradicted the evidence found at the scene. Using invalidate, a technicality invalidated the results of the study. Using disprove, scientists worked hard to disprove the old theory. Now, let's talk about how you might use confirm in your everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend about plans for the weekend. You might say, "Can you confirm if you're free on Saturday?" Or, if you're making travel arrangements, you might hear the phrase, "We'll send you an email to confirm your booking." Another daily usage. Did you confirm with your boss about the new work schedule? I need to confirm my attendance at the meeting. Please confirm that you received the documents. The weather forecast confirmed our suspicions about the upcoming storm. The doctor confirmed that the test results were normal. The manager will confirm your appointment time. Before proceeding, please confirm that you understand the terms and conditions. To summarize, confirm means to verify or prove something. We explored synonyms like verify, validate, authenticate, corroborate, and substantiate, and antonyms like deny, refute, contradict, invalidate, and disprove. We also looked at how confirm is used in everyday conversations and phrases. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of confirm helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. Now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word confirm and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye for now.